So here's what we got here. I don't know what's going on. Caleb came in with this box, and he's like, my mother got you a present. I think he was serious. I'm like, is it for content, a joke? He's like, no, not really. But maybe it is. In appreciation for you being real, raw, and transparent. Thanks, Heather Lee. Is that his mother's name? Heather Lee Presley? I appreciate the gift. Maybe I hate this. Just like, now somebody has to clean all these things. I'm so curious what this is. My co-host on Barstool Radio, Caleb Presley. Appreciation gift. Manhandled that. That was extra adrenaline because the tape was on. It's a pizza man. Is this really from Caleb's? No, I think it is. Rusty Daisy Art. Heather Lee, Etsy. Rusty Daisy Art. Did Caleb Presley's mom just get free advertising from us? I think that's what just happened here. RustyDaisyArt.com. Ceramics, pots, tiles, custom orders. So this is like a pizza guy. It's kind of cool. Business card. I think Caleb's mom just got free advertising.
So you agree?
No, I mean that. No, that's that. That's a wrap. We'll see. We'll put it out. I'm gonna put this on social media, and people, whether I just got played by Caleb's mom, whether that's his mom. I don't know what. Thank you, Mrs. Presley, if that's even you, or maybe it's very Presley. So I do believe it. But what a world.